In this video, you'll learn how to customize Claude Code responses to better suit your programming needs. This guide will take you through the steps of setting up the environment, giving effective prompts, and refining your code using Claude Code within Visual Studio Code. Begin by opening Visual Studio Code and navigate to your project folder. Once you have your project folder open, you need to access the terminal. You can do this by pressing the keyboard shortcut, Control and the backtick keys simultaneously, or by clicking on Terminal in the top menu and selecting New Terminal from the drop-down. This will open a terminal window at the bottom of your Visual Studio Code interface. Next, ensure that the Claude Code extension is installed. If you have not yet installed it, you can do so by going to the extensions view, which is represented by the square icon on the sidebar. After confirming the extension is installed, you can open it either from the sidebar or by using the command palette. To access the command palette, press Ctrl and Shift and P simultaneously, then type Claude Code and select it when it appears in the list. To get the best responses from Claude Code, it is essential to provide clear and explicit prompts. The specificity of your instructions will greatly influence the predictability of the responses. For instance, you can specify the programming language you want to use, such as Python or Node.js. Additionally, clarify the output, like requesting separate code blocks or stating that the code should be ready for VS Code terminal. You can also define the style or tone, such as asking for a beginner-friendly with comments approach or optimized for production. Lastly, indicate the desired length of the output, whether you want only code, no explanation, or detailed step-by-step. For example, you might prompt Claude Code with the following request: generate a Python script that reads a CSV file with comments on every line formatted for VS Code terminal. Only output the code, no explanation. This specific prompt will help Claude Code understand exactly what you need and produce a suitable response. Once Claude Code generates the output, you will need to copy the code into a file. To create a new Python file, use the command touch main.py quote. Then, to open this file in the editor, type code main.py quote and press enter. After the file opens, paste the code that you copied from Claude Code directly into this file. After pasting the code, you can run it directly in the terminal. If you are working with Python, you would use the command python main.py. For Node.js, the command would be node main.js, and for bash scripts, you would enter bashscript.shay. This will execute your code and display the output in the terminal. If you need to refine the code further, you can return to Claude Code and request modifications, refactoring, or extensions to the code. Simply replace the current content of your file with the new output and run it again to see the changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.